What if one tiny upgrade could transform every drive in 2026? Car emoji. Today, I'm revealing the best car phone mount 2026 that ends shaky screens and risky distractions forever. Welcome back to the channel. Here you'll discover safer, smarter driving in minutes. Check the links below to grab yours easily and confidently. Your phone becomes a 1-pound projectile at just 35 miles per hour. Most drivers never think about that, until a weak mount drops their device mid-turn. Let's fix that. The Vanmass Car Phone Holder 2026 Ultimate Military Grade Phone Holder isn't built like typical car mounts. It feels engineered. The reinforced suction cup locks into the windshield or dashboard with stubborn grip. The upgraded vent clip adds another stable option. No wobble. No slow sagging in summer heat. Real-world problem? Cheap mounts shake during navigation, block your view, or crack after months. That frustration adds up: missed turns, scratched phones, constant readjusting. Here, the adjustable telescopic arm and 360 degrees rotation make positioning effortless. Whether you use an iPhone, Samsung, or Android, the cradle hugs securely without pressing volume buttons. Compared to slim magnetic mounts, this one is bulkier. But magnets can slip on bumpy roads. This doesn't. Ideal for rideshare drivers, commuters, and road trip families who rely on GPS daily. If you're searching for the best car phone mount 2026 drivers trust for stability and safety, this is where reliability finally feels intentional. Because on the road, stability isn't a luxury, it's protection. A phone mount fails at the exact moment you need directions most. That split second of sliding plastic and falling glass? Every driver knows it. Now imagine something built like tactical gear. The 2026 True Military Grade Vanmass Car Phone Holder feels engineered, not assembled. The upgraded suction cup locks into the dashboard or windshield with a vacuum grip that doesn't flinch under heat. The reinforced vent clip bites firmly without wobble. Even on rough city roads, your screen stays steady. Real problem: cheap mounts lose suction, shake during calls, or drop heavier devices like iPhone 17 Pro Max. This one handles weight. The cradle adjusts smoothly. The grip arms hug tight without scratching. It supports iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 and Android devices effortlessly. Compared to basic magnetic mounts, this offers stronger hold and full adjustability, though it's slightly bulkier. If you drive daily, rely on GPS, or manage deliveries, this fits your routine. In the evolving world of the best car phone mount 2026 options, this one earns its space on your dashboard, by staying exactly where you put it. Your phone becomes a flying projectile at just 30 miles per hour during a sudden stop. That's not drama. That's physics, and a daily risk most drivers ignore. Now think about your current mount. Loose grip. Annoying wobble. Blocked vents. And the worst part? It can't handle thick cases. Here's where Lamicall changes the conversation. The 2026 wider clamp and metal hook car phone holder isn't just another air vent phone holder. The widened clamp actually hugs larger devices like iPhone 16 Pro Max without strain. The metal hook design locks behind the vent blade instead of pressing against it, meaning no sagging on bumpy roads. Real-world win? One-hand operation. Slide in. Click. Done. For drivers searching for the best car phone mount 2026, stability matters more than flashy design. Compared to traditional suction cup mounts, this vent mount avoids windshield residue and summer heat drops. However, if your vents are circular, compatibility may be limited. Ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, and road trip planners who rely on navigation daily. Because a steady phone isn't a luxury, it's a safer drive waiting to happen. Your phone becomes a 200-gram missile in a sudden break. Most mounts don't admit that reality. Let's talk about the daily struggle first. Weak suction. Shaky arms. Magnets that promise strength but surrender at the first pothole. The Taurus 2026 Vacuum per MagSafe car mount approaches the problem differently. It combines a 98 plus pounds vacuum suction system with an ultra-strong magnetic ring engineered for MagSafe alignment. Once it locks onto your dashboard or windshield, it feels anchored, not hopeful. On rough city roads, it doesn't wobble. On sharp turns, it doesn't drift. The 360 degrees adjustable head makes navigation effortless for iPhone 17 Pro Max, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12 users. Portrait for calls. Landscape for maps. Smooth, one-hand transitions. Compared to typical clip-on vent mounts, airflow stays uninterrupted and stability improves dramatically. The trade-off? It requires a clean, flat surface for maximum suction. If you commute daily, drive long highways, or rely on GPS constantly, this belongs in your car. Some upgrades shout. This one quietly proves itself every mile. A phone flying off your dashboard at 70 km per hour feels like slow-motion chaos. I've seen it happen. And it's exactly why the Android car phone holder for MagSafe caught my attention. Let's talk about the real problem. Most car mounts promise stability. Few survive summer heat, sharp turns, or sudden braking. Weak suction cups peel away. Magnets lose grip. Cheap plastic cracks. This one doesn't play that game. With 78 plus pounds suction strength and a 2400 GF magnetic hold, it locks onto the dashboard like it belongs there. The carbon fiber finish adds a refined touch, not bulky clutter. And the 360 degrees adjustable head? Perfect for navigation, calls, or quick glances at traffic updates. Compared to basic vent mounts, it's leagues ahead in stability, though it does require a clean, flat surface for maximum grip. If you drive daily, use MagSafe iPhones 12 through 17, and want reliability without distraction, this feels aligned with what drivers are calling the best car phone mount 2026. Because peace on the road starts with what stays still.